Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 1, Factors, Chapter number 2, Lecture number 1, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we will learn about factors. What is factors? The number can be multiplied together to show that they make another number. What is factor? The numbers can be multiplied together to show that they make another number. Our step 1 to solve questions of factors. Step 1 is 1 and given number itself is a factor. 1 and the given number itself is a factor. Now student, our second step to solve a question is find the factors of given number by multiplication and division. Find the factor of a given number by multiplication and division. Now student, let's start to solve our question. Number 1. List all the factors of 80. List all the factors of 80. Here student, now we follow our first step. 1 and a number itself is a factor of itself. 1 and a number of itself is a factor. 1 multiplied by 80 is equals to 80. When we also divide 80 by 1, we get 80. So 1 and 80 is a factor of 80. 1 and 80 itself is a factor of 80. Now student, let's find another factors of 80. 2 multiplied by 40 is equals to 80. Student, when we divide 80 by 2, we get 42. 40 is 80. So the 2 multiplied by 40 is equals to 80. 2 and 40 also the factors of 80. Now student, let's find another factors of 80. Here student, we divide 80 by 4, we get 20. And when we multiply 4 with 20, we get 80. 4 multiplied by 20 is equals to 80, and when we divide 80 with 4, we get 20. So 4 and 20 is the factor of 80. Now we find other factors of 80. Student, in the table of 5, when we divide 80 by 5, we get 16, and when we multiply 5 with 16, we get 80. So the other factors of 80 are 4 and 20 and 5 and 16. 5 and 16. 4 and 20, 5 and 16. Now student, here we find the another two multiples. Last two multiples of 80 are 8 multiplied by 10 is equals to 80, and when we divide 80 by 10 we get 10. 8 multiplied by 10 is equals to 80. So 8 and 10 the factors of 80. Factors of 80 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 80, 40, 20, 16, 10. These are the factors of 80. Now student, let's solve our question number 2. What are the common factors of each pair of number? What are the common factors of each pair of number? We follow these 3 steps to solve our question. Step 1 is 1 and a given number itself is a factor. Step 2 is find the factors of a given number. Step 3 is find the common factors of both numbers. Here students, our numbers are 4 and 12. Now first of all we find the factors of 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 4 factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now we find the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These numbers 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the factors of 4 and 12. Now we find common factor. Here student, 1 is common in both 4 and 12 factors. Another common factor of 4 and 12 is 2. 2 is also common factor of 4 and 12. And here we find our third common factor, that is 4. 4 is also same in the factors of 4 and 12. Common factors of 4 and 12 are 1, 2, 4. Thanks for watching.